Welcome back to the Vishu Money channel. Today we give you the top 7 tech gadgets on Flipkart and Amazon under rupees 1000. These are the best tech gadgets you can get this November 2020. Stay tuned till the end as we give you amazing discount coupons from Vishu Money for all the products mentioned in the video. And before we start, subscribe to our channel for the latest videos. Let's go. Product number 1. JBL Deep Bass Headphones with Mic. JBL is known to be the leader in this category, making amazing headphones and audio devices. The C100 SI in-ear deep bass headphones is particularly a state-of-art headphone that produces crisp audio, deep bass, and an amazing treble. It has an inbuilt mic with a 3.5mm jack and is available at a never-before-seen price of Rs 599, making it an absolute steal. Apply the Amazon coupon from the tag in the description for the better discount on these two.
Product number 2. American Tourister 32 liters black casual backpack. This backpack is a style statement as well as a multi-utility storage bag. You can carry it to work as well as for your travels and adventures. Coming in at 32 liters gives you ample storage room for laptops, books and chargers. Weatherproof, rugged and a brand guaranteed of quality products, the Amazon Tourister 32 liters black casual backpack should be your first pick to travel and store all your tech devices every day. You can get it at a price of Rs 899 from Amazon. Also, apply our coupons for further discounts.
Product number 3. Smart Band Device. This is the age of healthy living and having a smart band to track your activity is very essential. You can get the best value for money as well as utility with the Tendula M Force. They are waterproof and hold an excellent battery life. You can get them from Flipkart at a bargain price of Rs 599. Apply Vishu Money Flipkart coupons for further discount.
Product number 4. SanDisk Ultra Dual SDD3 OTG Drive. Storage should never be a problem again with the SanDisk Ultra Dual USB drive. Portable, lightweight and designed with heavy use in mind, they come in 64 GB of memory space. You can get it at a price of just Rs 909 and apply the Flipkart coupons in the description below for further discounts.
Product number 5. Boya BYM1 Omnidirectional Lavalier Condenser Microphone with 20 feet cable. When you want to record crisp audio, look no further. Boya is a world-renowned company who have high-end products for voice recording. The Boya BYM is small, easy to attach and can be connected even to a mobile device. You can grab them at a price point of Rs 799 and further bring down the price with Vishu Money Amazon coupons.
Product number 6. Dr. Vacu Pulse Oximeter. Oximeter is an essential nowadays with COVID on the rise. The oximeter tells you accurately how much oxygen is there in your blood and by which you can monitor your health. Comes in at a lower price point of Rs 999. You cannot go wrong with this. Check out the coupons in the description below for more discounts.
Product number 7. Bolt Audio Arribas. You can get the best of the best portable audio device that is wireless and have a water resistant rating. The Bolt Audio Arribas monopod in-ear headphones are cool, comfy and have a long battery life. Get it at an attractive price of Rs 799 from Amazon and also get a cashback with the Vishu Money coupon. These are our list of the top tech gadgets under Rs 1000 for the month of November. Stay tuned to Vishu Money for more videos on amazing products and discount coupons. All coupons are listed in the description for your convenience. Do subscribe, like and share this video. See you next time.